Okay, here I want to show you two different programs that are totally free, and you can upload your pictures with one click and download them with one click, and you do not have to sign up. I think this is pretty awesome. The first program is called Remove Background, remove.bg. The other one is called threshold.imageonline.co. Now what you need to do is check out if you have some pictures you imagine you could use for a painting. Then you need to remove the background because it can be very disturbing. But first of all, we need to see if the picture is even worth using time on. So what I'm doing is I say upload image here, and then I find my image here. I want to try this out. Now I uploaded my picture, and then I just press this threshold image button. As you can see, it's kind of okay. I would have liked to see the eyes a little bit more, but this is just to give you an idea. You can try out with different pictures you have in your gallery or pictures you take. What you need to be aware of is that the light is all over the place, that you don't have a picture with shadows in half the face, because then it will only be black over here. So now we need to try to remove this background so that we can see the real picture. Therefore, I go over here in this remove image background, and then I upload the same image. And I don't even have to do anything. It just removes the background for me, and now I can download my picture. Then I go back in here, and then I say upload image, and then I go to my downloads, and I find the image with the clean background. I upload it, I threshold it, and now I can see what I have to work with. Okay, this is the picture I want to use. Then I just download it into my computer, and then I can open it, and this is what we have to work with. I think this is pretty smart. Remember, this is a free program. You have limited access. So as you can see, this one is very pixelated. As you can see, these little squares here. But never mind, because we are going to draw, as I show you in the course, we draw a straight line. Out here we do not draw these pixels like this. We just draw from tip to tip, so we have a straight line to work with. So this is very usable, and I think it's very awesome because it's totally free. You don't even have to give them your email, so they're gonna spam you and stuff like that. So this is a way you can do it. I think you should try it out. This will give you many possibilities to paint pictures of your loved ones. Remember, you can also go online and find pictures of your idols. If you like Johnny Depp, you go Google Johnny Depp, and then you find a picture of him, you download it, and then you try this out. Then you have all these possibilities to paint your idols or your loved ones or whatever, whoever you want, whenever you want it.